And then, completely out of the blue, she resigned. You hear it everywhere. It means suddenly, without any warning, nobody saw it coming. But why out of the blue specifically? Picture a perfectly clear summer's day. Not a cloud in the sky, calm, quiet. And then, a lightning bolt. Out of nowhere, out of a clear blue sky. That's the image. That's where the phrase comes from. The original expression was a bolt out of the blue, first recorded in print in 1837 in Thomas Carlyle's History of the French Revolution. He used it to describe an arrest so sudden and so shocking it felt like a lightning from a clear sky. Over time, the phrase was shortened and out of the blue stuck. So now you know. When someone says it came completely out of the blue, they mean it was totally unexpected, no warning, no signs. Like a thunderbolt from a cloudless sky.